how to tie your belt. When Taekwondo first started, back in 1955, belts went around the waist twice, but later that was changed to a single loop to signify one blow for victory. Nowadays, when you get to black belt, it will be a single wrap, but with supplies being what they are, different clubs may have a double wrap or a single wrap for coloured belts on the journey to black belt. So I'm going to demonstrate now how to tie a double wrap belt first. Step 1. Fold the belt in half, put the two ends together so that you can find the middle of the belt. Place the middle of the belt on your centre just below the navel. Using two hands, pull the belt and pull it to the back. Swap hands, bring the belt back round to the front, to the centre. Next stage. Let go with the right hand. Now swap hands. With the free left hand, reach down, pull out part of the belt, the long part, and place that tightly at the centre point over the shorter part of the belt. With it pulled tightly, this belt will now stay in place. You don't need to hold it. Now with two hands, take this long part of the belt and wrap it carefully over the belt all the way around until you come back to the centre point, the starting point. Next stage. Now tuck the belt underneath all parts of the belt. So it's through everything, both parts of the belt. If it's loose, give it a slight pull so it feels snug. If it's too tight, obviously loosen it a bit. Next stage. The part that went underneath, lay that over the other part of the belt. Then this part that's on top, take the end of the belt and place it through the circle you've made, or the oval you've made. Place it through and then pull sideways. Now, having done that, your belt should be the same length on both sides. Also, at the back, there's no twisting or overlap, it's nice and neat. So that's how to tie a double wrap belt. Thank you.